First thing, let's see, unboxing. So, this is like a personal computer. Great structure, good plastic. First thing is the main unit that contains two filters. We have hoses and other brackets for your sink, the remineralization filter, and the faucet that you will install it on your sink. And I think will not be a time consuming. The only thing, you got to drill a hole into your sink. Furthermore, connectors for the hoses, connectors and the tape for isolation, best not to have leakage from the water. The faucet, let's see it. Nice bag, chromey design. Let's take it out. And looks good. And it's small. This matters because it's small. To your sink you have the normal faucet, and this is the filtered water or the treated water faucet. It has a nice logo here, Frizzlife, and this system, yes, must be connected to a power because it has a display in front, will tell you exactly what you need to change, and will be great, sincerely, because I want to know information about my water, how good it is, when to change the filters, will be great. And of course the owner manual and some instructions here.